All right. Welcome back. Up in this. Whoa, we got some feedback.
Welcome back.
Up in this. But that's just mean it's working. So, we're back in action. What are we doing today? Well, what am I doing? I wanted to 3D print some art today. Should be pretty fun. And then I want to show you how I edit my videos, because I found a way to do it where I don't have to do anything. Well, that's the whole idea behind this channel, is that I live stream everything and then the AI will edit it. So I'll show you how I edit videos. And then we got another camera over here today. What's up? Because why not? I mean, we can, so we can do some funky chicken dance maybe. Macarena. Okay, that's pretty fun. But yeah, just chilling, making some coffee, trying to figure out how to be productive. So we got the chat today, we got the music that I'm listening to. I don't know if you guys can like tune into my channel or what. I don't know how that works. But anyways, you can see what I'm listening to. So yeah, just chilling, hanging out, nothing much. We have some postponed stuff. So I managed to make a short video yesterday. That was pretty fun. And pretty easy with AI, Buromi. So maybe I should just start with that, because I wanted to take another one of the VODs and chop down. But I would also like to make some art, so maybe just fire up, what's it called? HueForge. Discard. We have started HueForge Wiki. I know. Okay, so this is a quite special program here. Oh. See, I have my color sliders over here. Let's put them somewhere else. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting design choice. Let's put them over here in that corner. Okay, so this program is interesting, and I'm not sure that it's the greatest with touch. But we'll try. Open some kind of file, image. I should have some of my girlfriend's stuff somewhere. OPQRS, Sophias udstillinger. Okay, which one would I like to make a HueForge of? One that I haven't made before, that I really like. Okay, I kind of like this. I think this would translate well into a HueForge. Okay, so okay, that actually works quite decent. So this is a 2D to 3D conversion program that I'm running on the Yeelink here. I can show you guys real quick. I got a new phone, so I can do a little more fun here. Let's see how easy this is for me to do. If I just open this, it should just pop up. Oh, I need to turn it on. Yeah, here you see. So we got the 65-inch Yeelink here. It's kind of nice. So yeah, we'll be rocking that shit. So yeah, HueForge, interesting program. Unfortunately, I'm not quite sure how I can zoom out, but I can pan it. 2 fingers doesn't work. 3 fingers just messed up everything. Okay, so I'm limited to this with touch, but that's fine because I could connect my mouse here. If I have the adapter somewhere, maybe. No? Oh, it was. And then the next question, of course, is this mouse even full of batteries that have power in them? Wouldn't seem like it. Ah, yep. Okay, so we can zoom up with the mouse here. But it's a janky. Ah, okay, we can pan with the right click. Okay, cool. So I know that I can actually do like this. If I have the mouse in one hand, I can like pan it around like this. Okay, this actually works. It actually works. Okay, so let's just put down the mouse for now. What is this program? Well, it's an interesting program for sure, because I need to see my filament library. That's not what I wanted. I wanted the. So now I'm gonna. I do need the filament library. Okay, sure, yeah. I just forgot how this works. Put it over here. Get the chat back so I can see if we got some lovely people in chat. I'm gonna find a bit more hype music here. I don't really like this. All right, get some colors. What do we have? Black and gray. Baby, do harder. Black and gray. These two we definitely have. Let me see the library, what I have here. Okay, this is kind of cool. So, gray and black should be able to have some kind of app when I can scan the colors of this. Then I have the red. Then a matte. This is done. We have the green, red. Where's the white? The ABS. Så har vi PCTG. Okay, and then we have the cyan, magenta, yellow. Let's just say it's the Bamboo Lab basic black. It's probably also just this dark green, Bamboo Lab, some kind of green. Let's just stay with Bamboo for now. Some kind of. Well, what green is this? Det er ikke på snor. My mommy. Er det dig, Johnny? I don't know, man. None of these Bamboo Lab colors look like it. I'd say this Jesse Premium Tree Green is probably the. Yeah, let's grab that. Sure. We have the orange and the white. Why did it disconnect me? That is rather confusing. Jaha. Nej, jeg skal ikke. Okay, so what if disconnect my phone, open Spotify on this, select something to play. Sure. Isn't this supposed to be like smart or what? Oh, of course, I need to connect. Well, when you're an idiot, it's not that smart. My butt's connected. Play. It's working. Playing on Watch Ultra. Okay, cool. It's a little bit easier for me, so it doesn't disconnect. Okay, where were we? The colors. Spektrum. Er det noget, vi har? OPQRS Prushman Sunlu. Nej. It's like a flat orangey. Yeah. Light orange. I'll take it. I'll take it. Vi skal sætte ord på. So of course, the smartest thing would be to print some testers. You know, some translucency testers. But there's a bunch of colors. So what's the next? Now we want to have some fun. Clear slider history. So the way HueForge works is that there is I don't actually know how to use the color match feature. General options and operations. Bit smoke. Whatever. Let's go to our library. So the first layer we probably want is black. Put that down here. Let's see. Increase the blacks. Be small. Like this. Alright. So what color do we need? The green. So we need some blue, green and blue. So I think green is the next. Become a listener. And then light blue and white. Okay. So now, be smart. So this is 4 colors. Let's just play around with this a little bit to see. One more black here. Okay. Yeah. Except the other way around, right? Okay, okay. It's not the worst I've ever seen, but we can get it better here. How do I even use the color match feature? I don't even freaking know. Options. Sure, that's a lot of stuff here. Whatever. Okay, so if I look at this, I probably want to bring the green up. Bring the green up a little bit. Ja. Aha. Maybe why is the black repeated? I need a blue more. Between the black here. Come on. Could you grab the slider? Thank you. Yeah. This is what we're looking for. Yeah. Yeah. The white. This is good. Yeah. This is really good. So what I want to do now is I want to look and see if there's like artifacting going on and stuff. Okay, let's see. Ugh, some great zoom. Okay, here I can see it. So what we want to do now is model geometry. Smoothing. Brightness comp. Shit. Let's just keep it on standard. Actually, let's play around with this a little bit. Sometimes. Well, standard is probably best. Why is it so hard to zoom on this? Well, I kind of like this. Maybe brightness a little bit up. I want the tuba to stand out. Ah. Yeah. I like that he's kind of green in his face. It's only one layer of white, man. Or what? If you wanna hold on, you have to let go. What do we think? I think I kind of like it. Need to figure out how to. Maybe it's a little bit too. It's so hard to grab the slider, what? Okay, I kind of like this. Fuck the lighting settings. Yeah. Layer height, detail size. Mm-hmm. 4. Right here. Oh shit. Let's try to print this fuck. So maybe I can just put the EMS over here. You can't even see it. Yeah, this should work. Should work fine. I'm right here. Oh, let's save this. Save project as documents, new folder. What should we call it? Why does it do that? What are you doing? Whatever, dude. Okay, where were we? Print this. I think it looks great. I actually think it looks great. Okay, so we have the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. Should be fine for this. Sure, will the Bumble Lab handle it? I'm going to swap the colors here. We need the blue. Ah, this is still attached. Oh, I'm boiling water, am I? Oh shit. This water is definitely boiling. Definitely, most definitely boiling. I will tell you that. Ah, what happened to my tubular? Only like one layer of green? Sure, sure. How big is it? 150 by 200. It's a little bit too big, isn't it? 200. Nah. It's gonna take a while to print, but that's how it goes, you know, with these things. All right, so mount the color green on the AMS. Slot number 2. All right. And we need the black. The blackest of black. I actually really like it. It It looks a little bit different than the original, but not in like a terrible way. Is this camera over here still rolling? Oh my god, it's still working. Do the dance. Do the chicken dance. Impossible to dance to this music. Animals as leaders. Oh, not impossible. Improbable. Er det nu, du fortæller mig, at den har den ikke passer på? What? I just mounted the other one. Ah, fuck, dude. I could break it so badly. Shit. Didn't even see that. Yeah. Shibabi. And is this all the blue I have? Might be. Well, let me make some coffee. Oh my god, I'm chilling so hard. Chilling so hard up in this. The chill is immense. Maximum chill. Bruh. There's almost no water left. Get the white. Maybe it's a little bit. I want the tuba. I want that. Oh, this is right here. And I really love the AMS light here because it's mechanically simple. It's very hard for this to break or go wrong. Yeah, this is brittle. Shit. Not too bad. But I am running out of blue. Maybe it's a good chance to get a dark blue. Lots of junk coming out. Okay, all 4 colors are loaded. Now the next question is, will this cable reach if I put it on the table over there? I have a feeling it won't. move the printer closer. It's probably the best solution. Move all this crap out the way. Low battery. Oh, I need a charger for my iPad. Otherwise, I can't see if there's any wonderful people in chat. Oh, I can, but I might miss it. Okay, literally out of USB ports. I do have a USB-C to USB-A adapter to Lightning. Interesting. Let's get some power on this. Figure out what we're gonna do with this stuff. It's basically trash. You never know when you need some foam. That's a good coffee. Excellent. All of these stands here. My lighting stands. Let's get those out of the way. Now I'll just push everything over. It's fucking heavy. Sure to bring the power. Or put it on the floor. That's also an option. This is not ideal. Not ideal. Why did I do this? Oh well, this is the new position of the cable box. Okay, this might work. Get the shock absorbers back in place. I don't actually have any downstairs neighbors at the moment, so it's not that big of a deal, but why isn't this Fokker level? That's good enough. It's a Bambu Lab. It can handle being a little bit uneven. So full range of motion. All right. Sure, wobbly. I don't give a shit. It's a Bambu Lab. It will work. Let's see if the EMS fits over there. Maybe I should have done that before. Ah, you motherfuck! Ah, get in there, you son of a... You son of a gun! I mean, this should actually work. Provided the cable reaches. Oh yeah! I think we're on the money. Where the frick do I put this? Let's see if it detects it. Chicken dance. Chicken dance. I guess this is the chicken dance. Chillin', chill, chill, chill. Nej, jeg skal ikke update min firmware. Never update your Bambu Lab firmware. I swear to God. Hey, there's light on the EMS. Filament. External spool unload. Let's open Baboomi, or export this. Export STL. Okay, we saved an STL. So now we open Bamboo. All right. Let's get that Bamboo Lab open. Here we go. If this had dark mode, would be nice. Could you fuck off? I'm clicking. Skip. Piece of shit. Sometimes it just doesn't work for some obscure, weird reason. Create a new project. Find the file. File Explorer. Can I get this in dark mode? That would be kind of sweet. Preferences. Project downloads, meter, user experience, bro. Oh, dark mode. Okay, fuck it. No dark mode today. Ja, so the controls are pretty natural here. Randers, så tager vi den. Grab it. Could you grab it? Aha! There we have it. Wonderful, wonderful. So, let's just slice it up first. Do the dance. Ah, it's sliced. So I have to remember how to do this. Let's see how it looks. So far, so good. Let's load some of the correct colors on here. So I'm gonna load on the, I can't see those numbers. 4 is black and 3 is blue. And it's not ABS. It is PLA. Let's just take generic. Generic PLA on the black, and on 3 it was the blue. And on the green is on number 1 and white on 2. Green on 1, white on 2. Darkish green and white. Okay. Let's slice it again. Yeah, okay. So I look in my software and I go to layer number 8. How many layers does this have? Does this only have 11 layers? Ah, layer height. Aha! What did I set the layer height? 0.16, wasn't it? I think it was or 008. Let me just check. Yeah. Layer height 008, and the first one is 016. Border. Do we have a border on this? Where's my cursor? Bro, you're tripping. Tripping me. I literally can't find my cursor. Whatever, it's probably good enough. 008, 016. 008. I guess that's too much for it. Zero 008. There we were. 016. All right. Height of initial layer, yes. So I have to really remember how to do this now. What options are essential? The seam just needs to be the nearest. Smart scarf seam, that could actually work. Resolution, we have to crank this down a little bit because we actually set it to 0.10. Hole compensation, ironing, no, wall generator. Arachne is always better. Arachne wall generator is just superior in every way. What else? Strength, speed is where we have to make quite some drastic adjustments. The speed needs to be adjusted to quite a bit less. So if we put the travel speed so this printer doesn't shake that much to 500, normal printing, we definitely need to add a third of that. Travel, put down to 2000 as well. Initial layer travel, we don't want it to shake too much. Initial layer will have that 250 because the initial layer is actually extremely important. Outer wall, just put it down. I rather want a really slow print that actually finishes and sticks to the plate rather than a print that does not finish. All right, so what do we have? Outer wall, shell perimeters, top surface, overhang speed. Yeah, I like this. Others, brim. Nah, we don't need a brim. Let's try to slice it up. What, isn't it charging? Why isn't it charging? Aha! Now it's charging. Okay. It's generating the slice. Can't wait to see what time it's gonna give me. Oh, maybe they have some good food. Yeah, I wrote him, but he didn't answer me yet, and he's probably sleeping. That's a scam. No lunch. Okay. Let's see here. So now we have 27 layers. Does that look correct? Looks about right to me, doesn't it? Looks about right to me. 26, 27. Okay, so what we do now is it actually only takes 10 hours. That's great. Layer 8. Now, what the fuck? We need to change the base color. I want to use this. Why can't I remember this right now? Just grab it here. I literally can't remember it. What? Now I remember. Hvad sker der? Hvorfor er min mus forsvundet? What the fuck, dude? Okay. I need to click this. Prepare. Click this. Right click it. Change color. Change filament to the black one. So we're going to start with the black from layer 0 to layer 8. And we're going to instruct Bambu Lab to do it for us. I hate this external spool. Always fucking fucks up my shit. Get on there. Great, it's almost finished. Slicing. Okay. So, at layer number 8. Come on, please let me right click it. Change filament, and we look over here on the right side, or above me, the color sliders. As we can see, it changes color to the blue one from layer 8 to layer 12. So we change to blue. Yeah, that's about right. Until layer 12. Here. Right click it. Change filament to, from layer 12 to 17, it's black again. It's lots of blue and black. 17. Change filament. So from layer 17 to 18, so only one layer of green. Back to the blue. Layer 18. No, sorry. Yeah, 17, from 18 to 22, it's blue. Yeah. Change filament, and then the final one is the white from layer 22 and out. Is that correct? Yes. Slice it. We did it. We're ready to print. Let's do the dance. Well, oh, here I am. Chicken dance. This is probably not gonna look exactly how I expected. But we'll print it anyway, it's only 8 hours. More coffee. We need some more coffee. Oh, sorry. I forgot I had my microphone on. Okay. So I come back, it looks amazing. I'm pretty happy with that. G code beyond the boundary. Oh, I see. Well, let's just move this a little bit over the way, out of the way. Prime tower. Let's try again. This touchscreen is absolutely amazing for this stuff. I really like working on it. What about it? It doesn't do anything. Oh, I forgot to hook up the EMS. Ah! Let me grab a pinzetto. Get the external spool holder off the bamboo lap. And it should be relatively straightforward to literally just pop these bad boys in here. It doesn't really matter which way they go, as long as they go. Yeah, that's about right. Seems about all right to me. So the question is, does this have the full range of motion? Probably. All right. How far are we in this project? We'll save this. Save project as runners 3MF. Sure. I need to send this project to my girlfriend's computer. So I'll just open up my email real quick. So I will take this off. Because my Bumble app is glitched, so I cannot print on my own printer. I cannot log in, write a new message for Sophia. Attach. All right, and if you will have me excused for a moment. And we're back. And we are indeed back. And why isn't my watch playing music? For some reason disconnected, but whatever. Linkin Park. Why not? What? Did we drop connection here? Ah, we're still good. Okay, where were we? Why did the TV turn on? We were trying to print. Okay, so now I need to clean the plate and put on some glue because lifting is the worst enemy of fuel forges. So I'm gonna go rinse it off with some dishwashing liquid and apply some glue on the surface. Because if we get some kind of warping or lifting, it's gonna ruin the whole print and it's gonna look not great. I'll tell you that. So a little bit of dish soap on here, just to get any oil and residue off, and give it a good rinse after, so that there's no soap residue, because soap will also cause lifting here. So you have to be sure to rinse it off properly and dry it without scratching it too much. Okay, clean plate, dry it off. Don't turn your back on me. Okay, and now I'm just gonna cover the whole plate in glue. What about temperature? Should I consider anything about temperature? Nah. Glue. Shake it up, shake it up. The way I did before, don't turn your back on me. Glue all over the plate. I want absolutely no lifting. Ah. Why can't I move it? I feel like normally I can just move it around, but whatever. This is my guilty pleasure. Got it as a poor man stealing. This is how you remind me. You remind me of what I really am. This is how you... Okay, we're ready to go. So say sorry, I won't bring up a different story. This time I'm mistaken, for and I knew my heart was breaking. And I've been wrong, I've been down, and to the bottom of every bottle. These my words in my head, scream, are we having fun yet? Yeah. It's a banger. This is how me of what I really am. You remind me of what I really am. To say sorry, different story. Mistaken, heart was breaking. Wrong, down, every bottle. Words in my head. Having fun yet, yet, yet. Yeah, 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 no, no. Ah, The coffee is the key to success. That's what my grandfather always told me. That's a lie, but he could have because he loved coffee. And I do as well. Why is my girlfriend's computer in Italian? It's really fucking hard to understand. I should learn to speak it, but I didn't really learn it, so I'm just gonna wing it anyway. My printer might not work because I didn't update my firmware, and then Bambolab are mad at me. Who knows? Slice. Oh my god, this is gonna look so good. Well, maybe it takes like 16 hours now, maybe more, 20, because I changed the speed, but it's kind of crucial, otherwise it's just gonna fuck it up. Oh, whatever makes you sad. Okay, her computer is not the fastest. 2017 Mac. But it has an amazing display, and I got it cheap. Hvorfor åbner den musik? Fuck it. How about you get the information? PC. Ah. Oh shit. I set it to walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another. And we slice again. I become so numb, I can feel you there. Aha! Slicing again. It's been more like me. I hold it too tightly, afraid to lose control. Hey, I like it. It's caught in the undertow. Yeah. Hot lady, I'm a sex again. Yeah, whoa, hot lady. So one is green. Why is it reversed in here? Bro. Okay, so now he should be doing his thing. 'Cause I'm electric. Yes, I am. 'Cause I'm electric. I'm your electric man. Yes, I am. Let's clean up a little bit here. I'm electric. Fuck! I'm your electric. I'm your electric man. Oh, now it's going. So 8 hours and 56 minutes. That's reasonable. Let's see if he starts correctly with the black. Yo, I got some views, 256. Let's go. On my shorts video. Awesome. What about the other one? 11 views. Woo! We're actually a YouTuber now. I just want to make sure this thing starts correctly, and then we can move on. Let's compose the music. Actually put it in do 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 do. My laughter is louder than yours, louder than yours. Do do do. Do 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 do. Hvad? Fucking stupid. Why can't it figure out what? Nej. Why can't I change the color? Confusing. Do than yours, stronger than yours. Do 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 do. Pressure and time. What? Ah! It's wrong. Ah, fuck. White on 1, green on 2. Ah, white on 1, green on 2. God damn it. Ah. Ah! I did it wrong. I managed to confuse myself. Or the AMS managed to confuse me. Nej, ikke Spotify. Bambolab. There's always something in it. Ah, I put them in the fucking... Ah. I'm an actual idiot. Ah. Fuck, I'm an idiot. How about you? Am I offline? What? It's not really working the way it's supposed to, is it? Huh? How the fuck do I select my watch? Huh? That's so confusing. Well, Samsung, you still have a long way to go before you're Apple, that's for sure. Why isn't it playing? What? But just work, dude. Come on. What the fuck? I'm kind of confused. Oh my god. Samsung, you have so much to learn still. Jesus Christ, dude. Okay, let me fix this. 1, 2. I don't know what I was doing before. Do 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 do. Ja, why would you do it like that? What, dude? That's so confusing. Why do they do it like that? That's the... Bro, what? This is so confusing. 1, 2, green is 2. Why isn't it like... Why have they made it like this? That's one of the most confusing things ever. Okay. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Ba-da-da-da-da. What's the time? My cursor doesn't work in Bambolab. What the fuck, dude? Okay. We'll try this again. Heartache. Don't you worry now. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Aha. Yeah. All right. Send an email. Okay. I hate Bumble app for making it like that. Get to the printer, to the computer, Hilde. Do dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Slice it. Ah. Okay. We're getting closer to actually starting the print. That would be amazing. Hvor længe har jeg været live? Wow, almost 2 hours. What's up? What's up? What's up? Come on! This computer is not the fastest. Some kind of snack? No. Banana it is. Bro! It crashed. Piece of shit computer. can I do? This is a micro SD. So in theory, I can send the 3MF to myself. So the problem is that the Bumble app crashed when it was slicing it, but I can slice it on this computer, export the G code to my phone, put this in my phone, put this, could work. Hey, it worked. Haha! It managed to finish it. Print. Hvad siger den? Yeah. Put the time lapse. Okay, so he should be printing now. It's kind of a dead zone right here. All right, so I can see this limiter is a little bit too. Audio input capture. The limiter. Cha. Put it down a little bit. Hey, yeah. So I think it's a little bit better, so it doesn't peak. So we got the glue on. He's homing. Let's turn the light on. Oh, it is on. All right. So in theory, that should just work, and we should have a finished art piece at some point. Okay. So that was step 1 for today. To print some art, because why not? Because we can. Cool. So the next thing I want to do today is, let's check the, oh, not this one. Hello? Oh. So 3D printing art, I guess we can put that in review because we're reviewing the printer's work. So now we come to the point of today where I have to edit some videos because I want to show you guys how I edit videos. Because yesterday I found out a way to have AI edit my videos for me because I want to just stream, go live, and I don't want to spend time transferring files, cutting up videos, etc. So until I can afford an editor, I will have Eddie, my AI editor, GPT. So anytime during the live stream, if I say Eddie or I say cut, that will be a reference to my AI editor. And I also plan to hopefully have him do graphic animations, etc. if I request it. So let's just jump right into it. The way I saw a video about how to do it yesterday, and it worked not perfect, but it worked good enough, if you know what I mean. You probably do, since you see the quality of this video is somewhat left wanting, but let's get into it. So I use this ChatGPT. But actually, before we go into all this, I should do something in Google Gemini, because one very powerful feature of Google is deep research. So before I get into editing my videos, I want Google to do a deep research for me on how to make a great video, how to edit a video. Because I am literally just an amateur in all the senses. I have no clue how to edit a video except, spend time dragging the files around and stuff. But I don't really want to spend time doing that. What I want to do is to tell Gemini. So I need another microphone. For Gemini, the Gemini mic. Good thing I have two of these. So this computer connects, this microphone connects to my laptop that's running Gemini, and the other one goes to you guys. So here we are. Hello, Gemini. Do you hear me? Well, he's in Danish, so let's... Okay, Gemini. Gemini, are you listening? Yes, great, he's listening. Okay, so I want you to perform a deep research. And the research has to be about video editing and YouTube especially. So this is going... I forgot to click the button. So this is going to be about video editing, specifically for YouTube, medium to long form videos, and also shorts. So first of all, I don't know anything about video editing. I don't know about what people want to see. I don't know what works. That's where you come in. You have to do some research in the field and figure out the latest trends on how to edit videos so that they will engage the audience. My channel is live streaming only, which means that the content that will have to be edited by ChatGPT AI through Buromi, which is a video editor that will allow ChatGPT to connect with it. So you go online, you figure out all the tools and how Buromi connects. Instruct this to ChatGPT in a markdown file, along with instructions on how to edit a video. So not specifically the video we might be working on in that project, but more general, how should the AI approach video editing? The concept is that I'm live streaming for hours on end. And then, because people probably don't want to watch hours of me just blabbering and walking around in my living room, the object for the AI, or the goal of the AI who's editing, is to take these live streams and cut out all irrelevant, boring, or filler. If it's not directly exciting to the channel or to the viewers, it should not be included. So we need these general guidelines that I can instruct. So every time, so if you make a deep research how to make VODs into medium to long format video, VODs, not bots, VOD, not bots. And regards to the shorts, so there's going to be two different approaches, right? So when I ask GPT to make a long format video, it's going to go more into detail and not be as quickly cutting. The shorts format has to be super tight and exciting and funny. And humor is one of the most important things in all of these videos, without it being cheesy and still informative. So please research the field for this and provide a very tight and detailed markdown file that leaves zero room for questions how ChatGPT should approach editing my videos when I tell him to. Both medium to long format and shorts. I love AI. Oh, he started. Investigate current video. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I think he found it, maybe. Oh my god, this deep research is so good, all these web pages. constant sorrow all through his days. I am a man of constant sorrow. I see trouble all my days. And I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. To help him out. You know what we could do? We could be jamming a little bit on Bullet Loke. Let's do it. I feel like jamming to my old mate Bullet LOC. Big shout out. And I am a man of constant sorrow. I seen trouble all my day. Hvad er der? Oh, it's the iPad. Let's see, the first layer over here goes down fine. I am a man of constant sorrow, and I see trouble all my day. And I am a man of constant sorrow. Let's fire up some Bullet Loke. The big old gangster G. Bullet the man. Bullet the man. How about you not right click? It's because my iPad is doing weird things. It's not even charging. It's some bullshit. Was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. All these devices need charging, innit? All right. Let's see. Bullet gangster. Audio, Ableton audio out. SoundCloud, Bullet Loke. Hey, Bullet. Why didn't it authorize? For what? A place where he was born and raised. And I am a man of constant sorrow. And I see trouble. Okay, we're live. Let's listen to some Bullet Loke. Bullet. What? clicking. Ah, it's the motor. Ah, okay, whatever. Whatever. Da, da, da.
Så på min skyr, holder ud i snavs, se mig lege, gå i din fyr, prøv at trække mig ned, men er oppe på nogle syg højder, du på glat is, har det hårdt i nogle syge skøjter selv, hjerter selv, værker roligt, jeg er din ven, perker, giver dig gode råd, unge piger gør din gæld, stærkere ikke kriminel, man kan hjælpe, hvis du skal bruge det samme, dumme grund, hvis min mod går imod programmet, slikker på dine læber, for jeg synes, vi er så blød, hader dig i dag, men jeg elsker dig i morgen, så ude på en sidespor betyder jeg på rette vej, bor ved dine forældre, så jeg gider ikke at jagte dig, virker reserveret, men mit dyn leder i led, du er ekstra inviteret, hvis du med, bringer syn til dis tid, giver af det så, ikke for mig, hvis du skylder, hvis du fylder, griner af dit tår, synes det er fedt, du hylder skæld, for der to af i mål, du kan starte, lille større ting jeg tager, tid det rører, penge har, vilje selv, jeg har pels, frakker, griner en betjent, snakker lav, god hand, for at smil til din penge, lapper ved du ønsker luksus, se vi drukkes med en sød kron, prøv på, gør det uden du snød, nogen af brød, lån, rigtig god idé, men lad os starte med at skætte, kost, sød, bitch, løb væk, køb, slik, hjemme os. Som en mand i mis husleje billig og behøver kun betale lidt uhattet væk. Holder øje som en satellit, ubudne gæster gør mig sur ligesom dame med 10 plastik operation til din pigeblok. Min drøm, så er det til barn, hun har vidt, det var din søn. Undskyld af gider, lad os blæbe lidt. Tilgivet nu mit hoved fyldt med læbested. Mismatch, skaldet for kanislas, snigelig på kat med forstand ligesom tisvat. Mismatch, ude efter viskas, gider ikke at snakke af en bilkat. Mismatch, skaldet for kanislas, snigelig på kat med forstand ligesom tisvat. Mismatch, ude efter viskas, gider ikke at snakke af en bilkat. Tjekke mig i numse, tog min punkt med system, de vil kysse salvet dybt med tunge. Hvorfor følge rutin, hvis rutin kunne vi dele lidt udenom systemet, mens du passer ind som Tetris. Skubber for en træt af køtyp. Sejler i problemer, gør dig søsyg. 1, 2, hvem er du? Jeg er en døgnåber. En søvn og en bid uden øjenhåber. Pinlig stil, børn i dag, de får ikke til din forældre vil have fred. Håndtere til en billig pris. Byen blev en anstalt, hvor alting til salg, mand. Folk de blev splittet, helt trippet af et valgkant. Stadig høj som et rumskib til møde hos kommunen og kom nøgen med et dumt smil. Skælder mig ud for at leve som en babysag. Burde være sød, ikke lede mod en venlig sjæl. Men er manden i kvarteret som en junkie-tank. Ikke fast, det er sandt, det er sådan snak. Jeg er ekstra paranoid med en mistank. En dør i dit hoved, det er min sang. Gider kun at smykke sig en farve som pis. Gider ikke at have en kæreste, kun en savn på det. Verden fik psykose på et splitsekund. En gang var der
Ja.
At vi har os rist, at vi tager for folk alle ved ro med et symbol på, man har det godt. Lad os boldsystemet spørge om vi vil lege igen. Egentlig ikke for sjov, for to hver en rej for dem. Gjort til plejehjem, børn og mange sultne mennesker. Flere del har alle som skjult talenter. Oven i toget går med kåber og store profiler. Liv bare siger bilen, men mit mor smiler. Bor i biler, utætte skraldespand. Men jeg er glad, jeg er cool med det, tak mand. Hyggerejse gør mig våd som en dygtig sejler. Dygtig spejler, giv mig tegn til at kysse dine negler. Har en penge til restaurant, så jeg æder lov. Byens største freak, der venter, går i læder shorts. Læder kort, kunne jeg bruge, men min tid er gået. Pyroman kommer cool, hvis der er i noget. Jeg fucker rundt, men holder mund, når de mor taler. Spiser røv, skal røve mine bordvaner. Så går godt, så stadigvæk fint og roligt. Alt det samme, mand, skraldespand er min bolig. Hygger stort, bygger bror, hvor vi elsker andre. Porn gratis, så jeg har det som en sexchance. Siner hovedslagsen, men en kæmpe smag. Spinder morgen, middag, aften, nat og dag. Din mor har bragt en stor ret, og søster, det er sæt. Under livet, det er dit kat, kysser hende der. Jeg er en kat med mit liv og en livslinje. Småder søger, når jeg lever, hvis du vil vide det.
Jeg er fan af dem.
Du er ikke fed, du går ned som at tabe igen. En uge i mit skole, du vil dræbe dig selv på min abe-ting. Du kan finde mig et pænt træ og stoppet med at ruse, jeg kunne tjene mere. Byen fyldt med tegn.
Alright. Let's see how far he came with the stuff I wanted him to do. Okay, let's see. That's not really a markdown, is it? Interesting. Keep cut. Non-zoom. Strategy is an automated system. Del og eksportere. Kopiere indhold. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take what he just gave me and we're going to condense it into a markdown file. Okay, Gemini, the text following here is a deep research that I just had Gemini perform on how to edit videos. What you need to do now is take the following text and super condense it into a file, a markdown file that has the necessary instructions for my AI, in this case GPT, to read the instructions when editing a video without burning through the context window. So be sure that the information you include is relevant, but try to condense it to not waste any tokens. So I'm not gonna give my AI 4 pages of video. I'm gonna squish it down, categorizing content. Save it as an MD, yes. Whoa. Okay, that might be a little bit too condensed. Okay, Gemini, that might be a little bit too condensed. So if you go through the deep research again and try to see what more could be included, it doesn't have to be completely bare bones. It can be some instructions that have more than just basic instructions. So for example, if the deep research has found something that's relevant to the AI when he's editing about decisions he should make, whether or not to include certain things. So just go over it again and don't condense it as much. Just make sure that it's efficient, but still with sufficient explanation so that the AI can just edit the videos. Doop doo 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 doo. He is so... Hvad skete der herovre? Aha. Hvad mener du? Did it break? Maybe the filament broke. That was pretty interesting. Interesting. Bro, what the fuck? You're not working at all. Okay, Gemini, I need you to take the following text that is a deep research based on how to edit videos in the current landscape. What I want you to do is to take this text and condense it into a markdown file. It shouldn't be super condensed, but it shouldn't be too long either. It needs to have all the important information that my AI needs to edit the videos in Buromi. So please put it as a markdown file that I can provide for my AI every time I prompt him. It needs to have sufficient detail for him to be editing autonomously, but at the same time, do not include way too much text because I want to save my context window. So please find a nice balance between critical information for editing the videos, but also remembering that we shouldn't burn his context in one prompt. Jim and I like it. Okay, so now he's back to printing. I guess it was just some kind of glitch. But I wanted to show you guys here. Confusing? You see? He's doing his thing. Nice and slow. You know? It's how we roll. Doing his thing, innit? So 280 views, 260 views on my short. That's a new personal best. Your markdown file is ready. That is a lie. Bro, what the feeling? Aha! Nah, this is a little bit better. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. The cold open, start mid action, high energy, execute. This is exactly what I wanted. Example, source in, source out. Download. Let's go. .md file. Okay. Next step. Find a video I want to edit. I downloaded one here not too long ago. Maybe one of a little bit more interesting video where there's a lot of stuff going on. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for showing YouTube Studio, probably not. So if I take some of my lives, which one do I want? I think I want this one, Back in Action, Simric and Other Projects. Nah. I want Chill Day. Don't know what I'm doing. If I take both of those, it's quite long. What do I do? I think we just take the back in action sim rig for now. Nah, fuck it. It did it again? You motherfucker! Could you what the fuck is the issue? This is fucking annoying. This spool is fucked. I fucking hate filament. Ugh. This spool is fucked. Ah, defective spool. Nice, nice, nice. Eat that shit, motherfucker. Nah, where were we? Yeah, these two. Yes. Og jeg kan ikke downloade mere end en gang. Download. It's very, very handy that the delete permanent and the download button is right next to each other. Right? Fortunately, they're not like super high quality, so it's okay. So we download the 2 watts. Sure, I already downloaded that one. But then we open Borumi. Borumi. I mean, we should probably change it to Borumi, but it's pretty smart. He can figure it out. So, structured video. What should I do here? Should I have Gemini write a script? Is that how we're gonna do it? So if I click on this, copy this link here, give it to Gemini. Just give him some more links. The other one, where did it go? It went away. Setting YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Content. Live. And this second one, back in action, number 2. That's not number 2. I guess. Okay, so we give him these two links. Paste. How about you fucking paste, dude? Huh? So, Gemini, I need you to help me write a script for this video based on the video instructions you just provided me, or editing instructions. So essentially, inside this Borumi, Borumi video editor that I'm using, I have the option to put a script. So what I'm thinking is that this script will help give instructions to my AI, right? Besides the transcription that he has. So if you go and look at the two videos that I provided for you for, and you go through that, and then you try to make an exciting script. And it doesn't have to be written in stone, because I want the GPT AI to take the decisions. But the script is supposed to help him understand what is the idea of this video. So hopefully, when it's combined with the transcription and he understands what the purpose of the video is, he should be good to create a really great video for me. So watch both of the videos and try to determine what a good script could look like. And be sure to tell that it's not set in stone, but what it could look like. And what the goal of the video is. What's the interesting part? What's the funny part? What's important to highlight? You know, more of a, what is this video, as opposed to, how do you edit this video? Do you understand what I mean? What is the red thread of the video? What's the moral of the story? What does Niels try to do? What's happening, you know? And not as much as to the shot composition and the dialogues, etc., but more overall input as to what he should be highlighting when he is editing, right, in regards to this specific video. So if you can write me a good script, it has two scenes. So the short video, around 40 minutes, is scene 1, and the longer one is scene 2. Let's see if you can do this. So then GPT will have a script about the video, so then he'll know, like, oh, this is what I'm supposed to do. This is what's interesting about the video. This is what's important. And then he'll look at the markdown file and be like, how do I achieve this with cuts and zooms? Then we do the full length, put it into the AI and tell him to make a short of it. See, exactly, this is really good. This is really good. Yeah, I like it, I like it. Yes. This is really, really good, dude. It's really good. Just let me copy it. So let's copy this shit here. Boom. Copy. And put it into Borumi. Here we are. Start writing your amazing video. No, I'm just going to copy paste. What? Yes. Oh my god, this is good. So record, import from file. I want to import the downloads. The first one is the smaller file, organizing channel and projects. Oh, sorry, I think that was the wrong file. Delete take. Delete take. No. Delete take. Okay, So the first scene here, yes, is the organizing channel and projects. Boom. The second scene. This program is really cool. Part 2. Yes, this part 2 here. Excellent. And then we'll see, then he starts to transcribe importing media. For whatever reason. Oh, that was just some kind of pause screen. Transcribe. Cancel. Dibidim. What? 2 people at the same time? I can't reach. Get away! Yeah. It's too far away. So, what's happening right now is this Buromi program here is transcribing my video so that GPT will know how to edit it. Should we have some music? It looks like it's pretty loud. Let's put a little bit of music in the background. Mine is... The slider is so sensitive. Sure. Okay, there should be a little bit of background music. So, it looks like my fix here worked. It literally looks like it worked. So he's just printing like crazy. This guy is transcribing. And then we open GPT. What should we work on in Buromi AI workspace? So the last thing we do is that we're going to take Gemini again. You know, again. I actually love Gemini for using this intermediate work because the rate limits are incredible. Like I can just keep using Pro all day long and it will not burn my tokens. So for all this intermediate work about optimizing for AIs, because if I just yapper to my AI, I'm going to use my whole context window. So what we want to do is we want to give the instructions here. Okay, Gemini, this is great. So now we move on to the actual prompt that I'm going to give. So I have given access to the workspace for GPT. I have the markdown file, and I have put in the script of the video. The last thing I need is the actual prompt. So specifically for this video, what I want it to do. So here it goes. If you can condense this into a more efficient prompt. Let's do like this. This is a live stream that I want you to edit down into a short, sorry, not a short. Medium to long format video or a medium format, depending on what you feel is the best for this video. I have provided general instructions on how to edit medium to long form videos. Afterwards, we will make a short. But essentially what I want you to do is to go through this live stream and cut out any unnecessary and boring stuff, following the instructions, making sure that I am presented the best way possible. And if there are long periods of silence, it might be because I'm making music, so might not have to include any of that, since it's not that entertaining. So please make sure that you take these two files and cut them down into interesting, but not so you lose the context of what I'm talking about. You need to find the sweet spot. You're the editor here. I have provided you all the instructions you need. I just want it to be interesting for people to watch and highlight any kind of humorous inputs I have, good points, or stuff that is interesting for the channel. So it could be engineering, music, etc. So other than that, just go crazy. And if you feel the need to add motion graphics to help me illustrate a point or underline some humor, please feel free to do so. And also zooming in to maintain viewers' attention could be nice. Maybe some text graphics to highlight whatever I'm talking about that's important. You know, you figure it out. But be sure to analyze the frames correctly and place the graphics or text correctly. And don't be afraid to go crazy, because it has to be fun and interesting to watch without being disturbing. And I don't mind if you have a few weird shots or things that aren't maybe perfect, because hopefully people would want to go and watch my live stream instead of watching an AI edited video, you know what I mean? But please go. Okay, let's see how far Romy is. So he's transcribing this first one. I do also believe that I talk a lot in that one, so. Okay, this is good. Huh? Yeah, a little bit of confusion here about what we wanted to do, but I think he'll figure it out. I want you to take control of BORUMI and edit my live stream according to these instructions. If you have any doubts on how to operate the program, go online and find instructions. There is a script, there are transcriptions, and there is a markdown file that will give you overall instructions. Let's give him the markdown file. Fuck off. Cool. So as soon as Buromi has finished the transcription here, oh, he's thinking. Failed to transcribe. Bro, not this bullshit again, come on. Maybe I can grab the YouTube transcription. I'll just ask Gemini here. Hello, Jimmy. The program I'm using, BORIUMI. Fuck Buromi. Yeah, whatever it's called, you know what I'm talking about. It has a little bit of issue transcribing some of the videos. So I'm wondering, is it possible for me to grab the YouTube transcription with timestamps and provide for Buromi somehow so that my AI can actually edit the video. Because it keeps failing in the transcription and I don't know how to fix it. So, open your video, click on small expanding, so transcript, chances visible. Highlight text, copy paste into a text file direction. Okay, so I literally have to give it to him manually if I have to, but that could work. Let's just hope that Buromi does the thing here. Let's hope he does the thing. So for some weird reason, it doesn't work, but it's because he's thinking. Maybe if I put him to high performance turbo. Comes up Buromi. I believe in you. I don't know if it's running locally or how it's doing it, but something is definitely happening on my computer, so he's doing something. He might be doing it locally. I'm not sure. Manu? Oh, it's just the next layer. Let's see. Well, my GPU is being used to render this video. It's using quite a bit of CPU. Interesting. So I guess I can just provide it to him. You've been working out for 10 minutes. That is a lie, dude. How about you stop auto-recording my workouts when you're obviously wrong? Stop it. Please finish. I should have clicked the settings. Yeah. Turbo mode. Transcribing. Didn't fail yet. Cool, cool, cool. It's doing something. Oh, I really hope it doesn't fail. Paste to stream. Maybe it works better on my Mac. Even though I doubt it's completely local. How are we looking over here? Looking good. It's a nice first layer, dude. Considering we had 2 stops, it's actually not terrible. 8 hours. Should we put a timer? Hey Gemini, set a timer for 8 hours and 20 minutes. I love this watch. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. When it works. It's quite the drastic change in sound levels on these 2 clips. Holy shit. Interesting. I guess I can have him go through. Well, busy working. The computers are working. I'm literally just chilling. Literally just chilling, eh? Why would you open that? Yeah, maybe I don't want it as an... Maybe I just want it on a... Klokken... Come on, please work. Buromi, I believe in you. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it, I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it. Ah! I guess if it fails, we can try a different model. Know what I mean? Don't do that.
Alright, welcome.
Don't do that. So many people on my screen. Do do dum do 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 dum. Do 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 dum. Do 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 dum. Get all the way over here so I'm not too much as now. Too many people in the frame. Snakker med mig selv, taler med mit bedre jeg. Mit hjerte slår på en helt ny måde, og det er mig en gåde, som du har givet mig. So yeah, right now, not too much going on. Drinking coffee, chilling to the max. Maximum chill. Chilling to the max. Chill it out. Chill it out, max. Maximum chill engaged. Maximum armor. Come on, please. Please don't fail. Please work. Come on, please just do it. It looks like the audio levels are mega scuffed on the first video. That might be why he's having trouble. Maybe if I reduce the gain a little bit. I don't know what I did to that clip to make it look like that. Okay, so this one worked. Let's adjust the gain a little bit. Remove the noise. Best. Turn this a little bit down, I don't know. Point of view. So some kind of... So let's just create a new tab. I think I'll do that up here. Let's try to So, what is it? What task is it? It is an okay. Yeah, let me get back to my... Nej! Nej! Clips.
Alright, welcome.
Ah, here. Retry. La da 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 da. He's doing something. We just hope it works. So many people on screen. Tasty coffee, innit? Let's just sit down and look at this guy until he finishes. It worked last time. Enjoying life, innit? Yeah. Well, it's actually good to sit down because with this setup, I walk around all day. I don't want to talk to you right now. So I actually get... The 2 days ago, I was only at home the whole day. Still managed to do 6,000 steps. Yesterday I was at home all day. Managed to do 6,000 steps by literally just walking around here in the living room. So then when you sit down, it feels rewarding because as an engineer, you spend a lot of time in front of a computer. So if you sit down at your desk 8 hours every day, you're gonna have a bad time. And that's why I chose to invest in a 65-inch touchscreen so I can work while I'm walking around, because it helps me think when I'm pacing. I'm more productive this way because I have a lot of ADHD, but it helps. And coffee helps, of course. It would be fantastic if it actually worked this time. I would be rather pleased. Maybe I can fix the audio manually. But just visually looking at it, I should try to fix it before. Uh-huh. Something's happening. Something is happening. I think it's doing it locally. I'm not really sure. I seen trouble on my day. The place where he was born and raised. How many frames did I drop? 0.5. A little bit of frames. Considering I have been streaming for 3 hours, that is not terrible. Not terrible at all. Come on, Baromi. I believe in you, Baromi. I believe in you so much. I believe you can do it. Please do it alright. He has access to this, he has the script, he has, yeah. All I need is the transcription. Come on, Baromi. You're such a great program. I believe in you. Such a great program, I believe in you. The greatest program, I believe in you. You are the best program anyone could ever ask for. As long as you do my transcription correct. Please. So I paid $80 for this program. Kind of an impulse decision when I saw what it was able to do yesterday. Admittedly, the edit it made yesterday was not very good. But it was an edit. And better than me spending 5 hours of my life doing that. Because I have more pressing matters. Like having fun. Because I personally don't find video editing particularly fun. Or video scripting. That's why I have my AIs to do that for me. Wow. The shorts are really helping. But if everything goes according to plan, I'm gonna upload another short today. And just try to be consistent. Theoretically, it could be one day of streaming, upload the other next day or something like that, I don't know. That could be interesting. I'm starting to get it, the gesture. It's a little bit tricky at first to get. Come on. Everybody keep your fingers crossed. Everybody on the floor getting tipsy. Come on. No! Okay, we try another model. AI. Nee. Recording. Screen recording. Nee. Editing. Transcription model. Let's try Whisper. Let's just try Whisper first. See if you'll do it with this. So plan B will be to manually provide the transcription, which should essentially work just as good. GPT 5.6 is pretty smart, I have to say. Pretty smart indeed. Oh, the audio's not as scuffed now. Maybe he just needed some time to analyze the clip, I don't know. So now he's doing something. Whoop whoop. Try to match the audio levels manually. Now, what else can I do while he's working? Well, it's the only thing I have on my plan here. I guess we could try to have some fun with the microphone. Yeah! I got this in the secondhand store for, what, 150? Well, who cares? I don't want to mess around with that right now. Yeah! We just want to get that video done. He's transcribing. It's hard work waiting for the AIs. Good thing we have the coffee in it. Nobody watching my stream. Well, I'm not surprised. I probably wouldn't either. But if you were watching, we could chat. Okay, it's printing. We're doing the thing. What does my reminder list say? Nothing important. Well, a little bit important, but who cares? Maybe I just boost this clip to match the other one, but it is quite bad. Maybe it was because the clip was too noisy or something, I don't know. So the cool part about this way of editing is that, not the cool part, but a cool part is that when GPT is telling me what he's doing, I can actually see in real time the changes he's committing, and you can watch it. So it's super fun. And yeah, this is 1 hour and 40 minutes of video. I do not want to even think about how long it would take me to go through that by hand and cut out all the interesting stuff, if there is any interesting stuff. Because this stream, for example, I don't know, maybe it's been interesting 10% of the time for the viewers. It's just literally me walking around drinking coffee, telling my AIs what to do. But I'm having fun, I'm chilling with myself, and I actually always speak with myself anyway. And Gemini, apparently, he's always listening on my watch. So it's kind of natural for me to just walk around, talk with myself. Hopefully, not for too much longer. When all my videos go mega viral, we're gonna have 100 people in chat. I'm gonna be so busy answering all the questions and conversations that I won't even have time to do any engineering. Come on, whisper. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Hey, it worked. Haha. We're ready to go? Okay, so look at this. I gave GPT my instructions, and when I click go, let's put him up to Sol, put him up to high, standard speed. Pretty much that's it. Go! Watch this, guys. Hands off. So I'll first read the supply directives as a reference. So he's on the top right of the screen, you can see. So right now I'm instructing my editor, in case. On the top right of the screen you see the AI, and on the top left of the screen you see Buromi video editor that I'm using. So he'll read the script, supplied, editorial. Wow, this is amazing. Yes, 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 yes. This is brilliant. This is so brilliant. Why didn't anybody do this before? This is brilliant. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. The project also contains a narrative brief and 2 fully transcribed live stream scenes. I've confirmed the story spine, taming the chaos first, and engineering to music payoff. So now he's gonna be staging the cuts, inspecting timeline. This is so cool. I'll zoom it in a little bit. Did I just close it? Well, he's probably still running in the background. Yeah, I literally just closed it. I just wanted to zoom, but I guess I can't. Whatever. So, view 2 images, analyzing, planning targeted transcript keyword extraction. Get transcript, yeah, good, good. This is kind of cool. This is really cool. Because anytime he's gonna chop up my timeline over here, maybe I should have adjusted the levels. Fuck it. I don't care. You don't care. Nobody cares. If we want it perfect, we could go back 10 years to YouTube and everything had to be perfect. But the idea behind this channel is that it's not perfect, because you can get AI to do all kinds of perfect stuff. What we want to highlight here is the human aspects, right? The fact that we're live. I'm not AI generated. I just use it because it's fucking brilliant. Once I get this workflow down, I don't even have to look at this. I'll just, walk away, drink coffee. So this is what video editing 2026 looks like. Standing around waiting for something to happen. He's still just planning. Planning silence range detection and trimming. Wow, this is so cool. This shit would have taken me ages to do. Highlight, prioritize my best moments. Fuck yeah, dude. He gets it. This guy, he gets it. Know what I mean? So on a scale from 1 to 10, how hot is this phone? 3. It's good. Print is printing. Stream is streaming. AI is AIing. Exciting stuff for sure. Planning silence range detection and trimming. So any moment now we should see the timeline here on the left side of the screen, top left of the screen, clap down into being fully edited, which could be pretty sweet. Defining precise keep intervals per scene. Wow, he's thinking so hard about everything. Like, this guy is actually brilliant. This is brilliant, if I have to say so myself, and I do have to say so myself, don't I? Because why shouldn't I? Indeed, why shouldn't I? Okay, I think we heard enough of my shitty music here. I need to make some more music. We need to put that on the to-do list. Let's get it back in action. Actually write some music. Not that one. Compose music. Get it in progress. We're doing it. It's happening right now. We're writing music. I'll write a melody. Right, that's a melody. Music written. That's how we do it. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's still doing the keep intervals. You've been working out? No fucking stop doing that shit. How do I turn it off? Settings. Activity. Walking. Nej. Jeg synes ikke, den skal detect noget. Oh my god, that's way too much stuff. Alert. So, no automatic workouts. I'm not that type of person, dude. Finalizing keep intervals and trim strategy. What's he doing? What are you doing? It's not a little blob. I have to clean them a little bit. It's gonna turn out great. It's gonna turn out absolutely great, isn't it? I like the print speed. It's not too fast. He's working hard or hardly working over here. I would be pretty upset if I run out of usage in the middle of my video edit. Oh, abort project edit. No, but why? Why would you abort it? Planning timeline trimming with scene boundaries. Oh, it reduced 105 down to 23. Nice. That's cool. This is so nice. This is so cool, dude. It literally just took 105 minutes and cut down to 23. And he knows what I'm talking about. He knows what the channel is about. Oh my god. Oh my god! This is incredible. He's gonna commit it now. Soon. Commit project edit. Oh yes, he did it! Ah! It worked. Look here, look here. So now.
So the field of view, that's not what it's called. It's called the point of view.
Well, I guess you could have cut out some of this shit,
Point of
dude.
view, stream. This might be a bit small. Videos, content.
This is good. This is great.
The point of view stream needs to be improved. Fixed, basically. And we need to do the Ableton stream setup a little bit better. And for music, I think that's about it. Several things I need to just. But it's nice that you can. But it would basically be jazz progress. I want to be able to stream. Like, if I put some ashes on myself after that would generate lots of value to.
Yeah. But that's it. He literally chopped out all the fucking boring pieces of shit. I mean, he left some of it in still, but that's not his fault that I am boring, I guess. Besides, if people want the full picture, they can just go look at the VOD, you know. Planning screen zoom with spatial focus. Dude, he's doing the zooming and all kinds of stuff. And the zooming, and that is literally just to keep people's attention so they don't fall asleep, because everybody's used to that now, you know. Sometimes I watch a YouTuber and you'll be like, he'll be doing those panning shots, or no, not panning shots, zoom shots like 40 times within 30 seconds. Caption, nice, he's putting captions on this shit. The cut now reads coherently and visually alternates between the board presenter, physical gear, and task UI. The source footage does not contain the promised beat-making flow state sequence. The second scene is also kind of about project planning, so I'm styling the real footage instead of fabricating that climax. Yeah? That would be fine. Targeted punch-in sims and bold technical comedic call-outs. I mean, so far, he's doing what I want him to, so I can't really complain, can I? RCA in. Six images. Wow, this is so great. Oh, you gotta love AI. You gotta love it. What would I do without it? I would have never ever made a video. Not in a million years I would have gone through and done that. Not in a million trillion years. I promise you. Oh my god, this is amazing. He just made overlays and zooms. And let's see here from the very beginning, maybe. There's a zoom here.
These Xperia 1 Pro glasses to create virtual screens and mixed reality. Put them on. Quick recap, like I said, over here we have some equipment, the Push 3 and Dynaudio Air 25 monitors. Now we dive straight into the meat of the channel, because I want to invite you watching into the process that we're going through here. And let me just pull this up instead.
This is really good.
So,
What kind of overlay did you
mixed
make?
reality.
Look at the. Look.
Mixed reality. A lot of analysis and a lot of calculations with just a piece of paper and a pen. Let me just full screen it. This is an app that I vibe coded not too long ago with Gemini and Claude in combination.
This is really cool.
The table, it would be, it would, table.
Fuck!
The point of view stand, because and we need to do the Ableton stream setup a little bit better. And for music, I think that's about it. Several things I need to design and produce. One of the things is an Ableton push stand, because
this is so cool. Like, how is this not the coolest shit ever, dude? So it's done? The video is done? Okay, but what I would like to change is the captions. Here, let's make those smaller. I need my mouse for this. I do not understand this glitch. What the fuck? It's literally my cursor doesn't appear. Ah, now it works. Okay. What was it I wanted to do? I wanted to. Size 42. Fuck, it worked yesterday. What? Oh no.
right now it's just flat on my table. It would be nice to be able to tilt it back and forth, tilt it towards me to better use the buttons and knobs, and be able to tilt it away from me to better play the device. It's more ergonomic. I need to produce some sticks for this background you see here. These have some sticks. I have 2 of these background screens that are going to be used obviously for YouTube, but also for my girlfriend's art exhibitions, to hopefully be able to mount, maybe change the fabric and mount her 3D printed art pieces on this so people can go and interact with them. But when I bought the 2 screens, only one set of aluminum tent poles were in the deal, so I need to manufacture or procure some aluminum sticks, preferably, since that will be a nice little weight reduction. They cannot be too heavy, that's for certain.
Oh, I can just slide it to the side.
So that will be in production or procurement.
You fucking piece of shit! What the fuck happened?
Visual representation of what I do have, or a nice overview. I can see a little bit more details, maybe what I paid,
I hate this
what I
shit.
expect to sell it for, what condition it's in, if there's any repairs that need to be done, etc. So that's the thing, everything that I have. So
What's happening?
primarily the monitors, right? The Dyne Audio Air 25. Those are the centerpiece. But we also I need to sell some things and probably also buy some things. Oops. My handwriting is not what it used to be. Do you hear? One in question.
What the fuck,
So in the
dude?
previous video, I explained a little bit about
What is happening?
something that I bought on auction, which is an
I'm gonna lose my shit. This is fucking ridiculous. Something like that. Ish.
8-channel mixer from the 80s and 90s.
What? Something like that.
It's a really nice quality, and I would have loved to use it for drummers. But unfortunately, they gave me the wrong.
All right, it's done. Export. Export video. Best quality. Let's try the custom settings. There aren't that many settings. So, okay, so this is organizing stream. Boom. Woo! 40 minutes. Yeah, okay, I should have used my MacBook for this. Jesus. Fuck yeah. So, okay, there we have it. The conclusion. That's how you do AI videos nowadays. That's how you edit videos with AI. That's how I do it. And it's working quite, in my opinion, quite well. He's doing the captions, he's doing the cuts, he's doing zoom-ins, overlays. I mean, what more do I want? I don't know how many hours this would have taken me. And of course, before you guys lose your shit, as soon as I have enough money to pay someone to do it, I will definitely get a human being to edit for me. Because this is not optimal. But it's either I never do this or I get AI to do it. So I think I pick AI to do it. I am kind of happy that it's working the way I want it to. Yeah. So you see, that was one prompt, one shot by GPT. One shot. He did, in one prompt, he did 106 hours, 106 minutes, not hours, of footage down to 26, 23. And he added zoom-ins and captions. Actually, let's see this caption here. Why is it?
Handwriting is not what it used to be.
Handwriting 0 out of 10. Okay, and he's funny. Like, come on. How is that not great? That is really, really good. Okay, I need to make sure my girlfriend doesn't lose her shit when she comes home and sees all this. Because I might get in trouble if she sees what kind of a mess I made. If you're good to tune in med mikrofon. Are we happy? I think we're happy. I'm standing on the table now. sorry. Excuse me. If you could cut that out, Eddie. There's a lot of stuff that's gonna get cut out today because I'm literally just doing nothing. But now my computer's at work. Oh shit. 86% Celsius on the GPU. He's working hard. So right now, I think I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna, yeah, I have to do this. I have to switch off the NDI encoder. Let's just exit that. Kill the screen here. It should be not doing things right now. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Because my GPU is encoding. Yeah, now the temperature dropped. Yeah, much better. If you see here, yeah, okay, we went. The video encoder was doing double work because it was encoding a 1440p stream from the Yeelink to my Mac, and it was rendering a 4K video. So I'm not surprised it was not the fastest at rendering. Well, actually, it didn't change too much. All right, but now the fan noise went down a little bit. So the next logical step for this video which is smarter, to duplicate this project and have him re-edit it as a short, or make a new project? I think making a new Thinking. The problem is I don't even know how to fucking copy this project because it's weird. Oh, he's doing something over here. He's literally doing something. What's he doing? Streaming. We're starting to see the contours of the art piece come forward. Very nice. I like the Yeelink. Beautiful piece. Beautiful. If I do this, it should just disconnect. Yep. Nice. This is cool. I need to find my phone holder so I can have a tripod here if I need it. We're pretty happy about this phone. Very cheap, considering this is Samsung. It's quite a bit cheaper than the S26. Quite a bit. What are we doing? Just waiting? Yeah. Maybe it's time to call the stream, because I actually don't have that much more interesting stuff to show you. So I'll of course be sure to upload the video as soon as possible. I mean, I could show you how to make this short, but he still has to render for 30 minutes and my girlfriend is probably coming home soon. So I would like, let me make it full screen. I hope it's this one. Nope, that was the wrong one. This one. So, I would like to thank anyone watching this content. It actually means a lot because it is definitely greatest to live stream when you have an audience. Otherwise, you're just rambling by yourself, which I would probably do anyways, and I am doing right now. But if you do enjoy just a tiny sliver of whatever I'm doing here, in the slightest, please give me some feedback on how to make it more interesting for you guys, or how to present it better, or anything you can think of. I would love to have some inputs, comments, subscribe, follow, but most importantly, it would be amazing if you guys tuned in while I'm live so we can have a little bit of back and forth going here, get the community up and going, you know what I mean? So if you are in any way interested in AI, music, engineering, art, and in general, having fun and hanging out, you should come back to this channel and have fun with me while I'm live. So that's it for me today. I want to say peace. Thank you for watching. And please come back if you were here ever in the first place. And if not, tune in when I'm live, because we have so much fun. Peace out!